guys, it's your girl Donisha London and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like this video and of course you need to subscribe because how else are you gonna know about new content? Now, I don't think I ever came on here like this, but y'all know when I don't really got a fit on, it means one thing and one thing only. Yes, this video is going to be a try-on haul. And guess what company we're trying today? One of my favorites. Yes, y'all. If you know, you know. If you don't, now you know. But we are doing a try-on haul for SKIMS. And yes, I've already done a try-on haul for SKIMS, but this drop is different, y'all. Okay. Whew. We got the big box, not the little. Whew. Okay. Now, do y'all see what this says right here? Dolce Gabbana SKIMS collab. Yes, baby, we got the drop. You know we got the drop. And I didn't even take it out the plastic yet. I've been waiting to record this for Vlogmas for you guys because this is honestly a great gift to get someone if you're thinking about getting gifts, but I'm pretty sure it's already all sold out, so you might have to get it from somebody else, like a reseller. But yeah. Happy Vlogmas. We're going to be doing a try-on haul from SKIMS. And even if you can't get the Dolce Gabbana collab, Kim K, when I say my girl has been dropping that fire, that pressure, that heat, my girl has been on next and I'm loving it. So I'm super excited to try this on. I decided to do a red lip because the drop has cheetah print, and what better way to give it a little extra pop than a red lipstick? So I'm super excited. I pray that everything fits because like I said, this collab sold out. So I don't know if my pieces don't fit, that I'm not going to be able to find them anywhere. I might be able to, but most likely I'm not. I did go up on sizes to be safe because I'm like, at least if it's a little big, I can get it tailored. If it's too small, what are we going to do with it? So if you like SKIMS, if you like try-on hauls, just keep on watching, baby, because we got some good stuff up in this box. Ugh. So my setup is a little different. Usually I'm always recording in my room, but y'all, my room is a hot mess, so we're not recording in my room today. Alright, I ordered a lot of stuff. I want to say I got like at least 5 items and my total came up to around like $700. This is not a paid collab. I used my own coin to get this. I inspire one day from the content people. No, I know that one day I'm gonna be dropping a video for SKIMS and it's gonna be a paid collab because I just love them so much. I pray to God that, you know, I get these big deals, but until then, I'm still gonna continue to market myself. That's the thing. Don't stop marketing yourself. Don't give up. Even if you're not getting the likes, if you're not getting the views, do not give up on your content because you never know when a video could go viral. I posted my Puerto Rico vlog 3 months ago, you guys, and it's already doing over 1K. When I first posted it, that video was sitting at probably like 100 views, and it started blowing up recently. So just trust the process. So I love the way this box feels. Like the material, it feels so good. It's very similar to the Chanel box. Like this is very similar to my Chanel box. The packaging is so chic and it's giving luxury. This is so cute. I'm definitely putting this like when I set my Christmas tree up. Oh my gosh, y'all. And it's gift wrapped. This is so nice. So these are my pants that I ordered. In these pants, I got a medium. And they seem like really stretchy, which I like. And the reason why I got a medium is because I'm kind of in between sizes, and my regular leggings that I get from her is a small, but I wanted these to be a medium. The only thing I'm worried about, because these are supposed to be flared, because I'm so tall, maybe I should have got a large, because I don't think they're gonna be long enough for me. I'm 5'8", you guys. So, oh y'all. Okay. They touched the bottom, so I'm happy. So yeah, I got these in a medium. I love how these feel. Like, love how these feel. Cannot wait to try these on. I feel like a kid on Christmas, guys. Ooh. I know that orders do the same thing. Y'all, I thought I ordered the same pair of pants twice. I was about to be so mad. So I got these in a medium as well. These are the capris. And I got these just in case if the pants didn't work because I really wanted some bottoms. And these are super cute. And I already kind of know what I want to wear with this. I have this red corset that I never wore. It's actually from Fenty that I'm gonna wear with this. So far, all the material is super thick, which I like, and it's stretchy. It was crazy because I was seeing somebody say that we should not be wearing Skims out in public, like it's leisure wear, but girl, who do y'all think is paying $100 and something to not be wearing this out in public? I'm right. Like, I don't wear like certain skin stuff, yes, is leisure wear in the house, but this particular drop, the Dolce Gabbana, this is not made to be wearing in the house. I mean, yeah, y'all must got money like that to be wearing Dolce Gabbana in the house, but me, I'm wearing this out. Y'all gonna see me with the cheetah. But Lotto said, thick as hair, yellow bone, cheetah thong, something. Y'all gonna see it. This now I might not wear out in public because this is kind of short. I got this in what size? A medium. But this is really cute. You might see it out in public though. Not gonna lie, it's kind of short, but it is really cute. Because I was looking at prices and then also what I would wear, but I wish I would have seen more of this on the website because I actually really like this. So, as you can see around the neck part here, let me move the tag. I got this in a small, I probably should have got a medium, but it says Dolce Gabbana, Skims and Dolce Gabbana on the neck part, and then look at this detail here on the back. And I love this. This is so cute. I probably should have did a medium, but it looked like a stretch. I really don't want to try this on the bag on makeup, but because I love y'all, we are going to try it on. But I love this top so much. I thought it was so cute. It came in this plastic like this. Ooh, this bra is so cute. This is so cute. I literally feel like a kid on Christmas. I got this in 36B. I don't really have girls like that, but this is so cute. Definitely wearing this out. Like, this is so cute. And I love the material. My girls are gonna be sitting up. Like when I say sitting up, sitting up. I'm really excited. I'm so excited to try everything on, and I'm probably gonna be wearing the bra with everything, and I'll probably try on the white top with some black bottoms in my closet, just put on some black pants so y'all can see how they look. But I'm super excited. I hope everything fits. We are gonna pray to sweet baby Jesus that these clothes fit, because I don't want to bring nothing back. Nothing, okay? I don't want to bring back anything at all because I love everything. I just wish I would have got another top, but like one of the long sleeve like sheer looking tops. But it is what it is. Let's try this on. Like, let's try this on. I'm excited. Let's try this on. So here we have on the Dolce Gabbana Skims bra, I got this in a 32B, and then I have on the pants. These are the capris. I'm gonna show y'all how the bottom part leg looks. It comes all the way down to the floor, you guys, and your girl is 5'8", so this is definitely tall girl friendly. And do y'all see how my booty, like the booty is sitting like Kimberly, you did your big one. Like when I say my girl did her big one, I love, and look at the stretch. So I did get these in a medium because I wanted them to be long, and my girl did not disappoint at all. Like, did not disappoint at all. I love the fit. I love the material. I love how it looks. I kind of wish I was a little bit like more flare at the bottom. Like maybe if I would got a large, it would have been more wide leg, but it eats, and I'm loving this so much. Like, I just couldn't believe the pants. I was in shock with the pants. I was in shock, y'all. Not gonna lie. Now I have on, and I hate because I took this tag inside of there, but I have on the boxer briefs in a size medium. Most of my boxer briefs from her are either a medium or a small, so I kind of know how these fit. These is a different kind of material than the pants. They are definitely more stretchy, but I like these a lot. And I know when I was telling you guys, at first I thought these was gonna be like super short, so I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna wear these out, but they're actually not that short. I kind of wish that I had got the shirt that went with this to wear it as a set, because that would be cute wearing it out. I feel so naked just wearing it with the bra and this, so I definitely will wear a different top with it. But when I say I'm feeling it, like I love the lining and the detail. Like Kimberly, you did your big one. Kimberly Kardashian, girl, you, when I say you ate like, do y'all see it? Ignore the tag, but it's giving I left no crumbs, literally. And my girl did her big one. I'm so in love with everything. I'm happy that everything fits, because bottoms for tall girls is really, really hard. And I be giving up on bottoms. I just be like, it is what it is. But I don't have that many bottoms in my closet. So I'm really happy so far that the pants fit, that these boxer shorts fit, that this bra fit. I'm gonna try on the capris, and then we got the white top. But so far, it's giving chef's kiss. Yes. So I love the waistline on this. It's like a really thick band. And still we have the Dolce Gabbana SKIMS label, but these capris, y'all, they feel so good. And hopefully y'all can see, but it stops like right after my knees. But like literally, like this material is so thick, and it just hugs everything. It hugs everything. Holds everything together. I love this. I actually like the bra with this. This is super cute. I'm really feeling this. And Dolce Gabbana has these socks like heels that are black. I think I want to get this for this look, but like, girl, you did not have to eat down like this. You did not. Like, Kim, seriously? This might be my favorite SKIMS collab thus far. So for the sake of this video, I just kept the cheetah bra one. I would not wear this underneath this white shirt, because obviously you can see it's a little see-through, but I didn't feel like taking off this bra to put on another bra. But I love the way this fits. I could have probably did a medium. It is like it stretches, so it's not super tight, but I feel like I could have did a medium. I love the detail here, like the SKIMS and Dolce & Gabbana on here. Like, this is just so nice. The detail on this shirt is so nice, and it feels really good. And y'all, I didn't get no makeup on it, and let's get in the back here. So this is super cute. So on a scale 1 to 10, how would I rate this Dolce & Gabbana SKIMS collaboration? Honestly, It's chef's kiss, 10/10s across the board. And it's really hard for me to say like something is a 10 because she's dropped a lot of collabs, and my favorite was the Skims and Fendi collab. I love that one. I loved everything that I got from that drop, but this one tops it off. Like, it is giving luxury, it is giving designer, it is giving quality, even down to the visuals of having Courtney in it. They ate it up and left no crumbs. And when I say I am impressed, I just can't wait to see more collabs and things that Kim has in store. I love Skims. The quality is amazing. It's been amazing since day one. And I'm excited about this, y'all. Like, I'm ready to go somewhere, you know, get cute, go out with my Skims. What 21 Savage said? Got her Skims on, now she acting like she Kim. Okay. Like, Kimberly Kardashian. Baby girl, you ate. Baby girl, you did your big one, okay? You did your big one, and I'm just happy to be able to rock these clothes, okay? So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get more content like this. Because if you don't subscribe, how else are you going to know about new content? Turn on those post notification bells and thumbs this up, you guys. Thumbs it up. I'm on my journey to being a full-time content creator, so I need all the support I can get. Leave me feedback below in the comments. What kind of videos do you want to see from me? If it's a brand that you want me to try out, if you have questions about sizing because you're thinking about copying some Skims, write me in the comments, baby. I'm gonna respond back and I'm gonna help you. But happy Vlogmas, you guys. It's your girl Janisha London, and thank you for tuning in. Catch you next time. Bye.